Imagine effortlessly reaching the right clients with just a hashtag. Hashtags revolutionize how you organize contacts, making targeted communication a breeze. Discover how this simple tool can transform your real estate strategy and boost your efficiency. BoldTrail synchronizes MLS data in real time, ensuring your listings are always current. This builds trust with clients as they receive accurate, up-to-date information. Experience the peace of mind that comes with reliable data at your fingertips. Accurate listings mean satisfied clients. With BoldTrail, you provide timely information, enhancing client trust and satisfaction. In a fast-paced market, staying ahead with real-time data is crucial for maintaining your competitive edge. Filter properties based on client preferences with ease. BoldTrail's Property Link merge tags streamline your emails, ensuring clients receive tailored listings. Save time, reduce errors, and maintain professionalism in every communication. BoldTrail simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals. Efficient communication is key, and BoldTrail ensures you deliver it seamlessly every time. By using BoldTrail, you're not just sending listings, you're providing a superior client experience. Your clients receive the right information at the right time, reinforcing your role as their trusted real estate advisor. Ready to transform your real estate communication? Start organizing your contacts with hashtags today. Experience the power of BoldTrail and elevate your client interactions. Let's make your real estate journey smoother and more successful together.